Welcome to Prince Edward Island, the vacation hotspot for the Maritimes. For the next week, we'll be exploring this beautiful island. This Canadian province is home to 170,000 people, making it the smallest province both by land area and by population. The island is 224 kilometers long and 64 kilometers at its widest point. That means it will only take us 3 hours to drive from end to end. We're joined by our good friends and our new drone that will help us to see PEI in a whole new way. Get ready and let's travel to one of Canada's best kept secrets. Our home base will be Cimbria, on the central North Shore. We chose this area because, in my opinion, it's the best part of the island, and close to most of the must-see attractions. 15 minutes away are these spectacular red sandstone cliffs that will erode into these beautiful rock sculptures. But because it's made of sandstone, they don't last long. You need to come and see them. Sadly, after we left, Hurricane Nicole toppled it. But that's okay. Just 30 minutes down the road is Thunder Cove, where you'll find caves, dunes, and rock formations like Teacup Rock. It's one of the most photographed spots on the island. Sadly, Tropical Storm Fiona toppled it. Still, there's so much more to see here. Summerside is the second largest city on the island, with a population of 16,000 people. It's actually only one of the 2 official cities on the island, the other being Charlottetown. The Baywalk and the downtown strip are the things to see here. Summerside is close to many other attractions, but beyond this point there are only small towns. So, time to stock up! As you can see, there isn't a lot to do out here. But that doesn't mean it isn't beautiful. We enjoyed driving along the shoreline, photographing the sand dunes, the red cliffs, and the fishing docks. Also, try taking the back road, and thank us later.
Okay, Alyssa, I'm awake. I'm ready to go.
Greenwich is the eastern part of PEI National Park, the only national park in the province. and one of the smallest in Canada at only 37 kilometers squared. Greenwich contains a fragile coastal dune system that's rare in North America, a true must-see.
Okay, I gotta show you this place that the locals go to. We had a really good day at Basin Head, but I'm also looking forward to tomorrow. We're gonna go visit the provincial capital.
Get out on the ocean, if you sail out on the sea, if you get up in the mountains, if you go climbing on trees, oh, through every emotion, when you know that they don't care, darling, that's when I'm with you, oh, I'll go with you anywhere. If you get up in a jet plane, down in a submarine, if you get onto the next train to somewhere you've never been.
Charlottetown's population is 40,500, which is half the population of the province. It's also one of the oldest cities in Canada. In fact, it was right here that the formation of Canada was proposed. We enjoyed just walking around, trying local food, and listening to live music that's playing everywhere. We'll have to come back. Here's PEI's most famous landmark, the Confederation Bridge. It's the longest bridge in the world crossing ice-covered water. It's 12.9 kilometers long and connects Prince Edward Island to New Brunswick. As much as we'll miss the island, we can't wait to tour New Brunswick. See you there!